X Twitter username can't change, problem solved. So guys, here if you try to change any kind of username, but here you can see whatever we do, but we can't change the username. We can't click the done option. Here you can see done option. We can't just click on this done option. So to fix this problem, what you need to do, there is only one solution. What you can do is that just go to Play Store and update it and check whether the problem has been solved or not. Guys, go to Chrome. After going to Chrome, here you have to search for X Twitter. Okay, after searching for X Twitter, just click on the first option and then it will redirect you to the website of Twitter, and then I will show you how you can fix this problem. So here you can see get the app, and you can see the second already have an account. So guys, simply click on sign in option on the bottom, and then from here you have to enter your email or username. Okay, or here you can see on the top you can just go with the phone number, so I will just go with the phone number. Okay, it's done. Click on continue option, and then you have to log in here. Click on it, and here you can see your account has been logged in. So after logging in your account, just click on the profile icon on the top left. Here you can see a profile option. Simply click on profile, and then here as you can see the username, here you can see, sorry, go to settings and privacy on the bottom. Click on your account, click on account information. Here you have to enter your password, okay, once. So guys, after entering the password, it's done. So now click on username, and then here you can see what you have to do is that you have to select this one or whatever you want. Just click on save option on the bottom, and then your username has been changed. As you can see here, your username has been changed. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.